Hi, I'm Rachel Gray and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best ham and cheese sandwich. We call this the Pirate Joe's sandwich around my house. That's because it was inspired by a store up in Draper, Utah that is an import shop of foods from all over the world. And they make a panini that has a sweet jelly on it. So I came home and I've tried out some different jellies, and the one that I've landed on, it will change your life. It's called Cherry Bomb, and it's a cherry jalapeno preserve. It's made by a Utah company up in Midway, Utah, but you can buy it online. So if your local grocery store doesn't carry it, you can pick this up online at pepperlane.com and get the Cherry Bomb. It's the best for this sandwich. So the reason this sandwich is called the Pirate Joe's sandwich is because my youngest son kept getting Pirate O's and Trader Joe's confused. So anyway, this is known in our house as the Pirate Joe's sandwich. So what you're going to need is just some regular white bread. I just use some cottage bread that we can buy locally here. And then I use Hillshire Farms brown sugar ham, which is really yummy. And the reason I'm telling you specifically what I use is because then you'll know exactly what this tastes like if you use exactly what I do. And then I've got some baby Swiss, this is Ardento, and of course, our favorite friend, butter. So I'm just gonna put this together really simply. I'm just gonna take 2 slices of bread. And of course, you can't just make one sandwich, so I'm gonna make 2. The first thing I'm gonna do is put my jalapeno jam down on the bread. And I probably use about 2 teaspoons, maybe a tablespoon of it, and I just spread it on the one side of the bread, just like that. And then I take the baby Swiss and I put it right on top of the cherry jam. That way when it melts, it just kind of gets all gooey together. So there you go. Just one slice. Then I take the Hillshire Farms ham and I kind of lay it out like that. It kind of comes like accordion in the package. And I don't really unaccordion it very much. It's probably, we should probably see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 slices is what I put on there. You don't have to use that many, but I like to load it up. So I've got the jelly and then the Swiss cheese and then the ham. And then I'm just gonna place this top part on. And then I'm gonna flip my sandwich over. And the reason I do that is because the side that I want down first is the cheese side. It always takes, the first side always takes the longest. So I want my cheese to be nice and melty, so I put it down first. Then I take my butter, and yes, you have to use butter. And I butter up that first side of the bread, and then I put it down on my griddle. And then I do the other side. Once it's down on the griddle, then I do that. That way I don't really have a buttery mess anywhere on my cutting board. And then I just let them toast. Now the trick is to make the temperature low enough that by the time the cheese melts, the bread is toasted. A lot of times if your temperature is too high, you're gonna toast the bread before the cheese is melted. So I usually cook mine on 325 degrees. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes and I just kind of peek under here and they're just golden brown, so I'm going to flip them. And then I'll cook the second side until it's nicely browned as well. So these look done to me. I'm just gonna lift up the edge, take a peek. Yes, they look delicious. And not bad, about 10 minutes I think all told. So just cut them in half like that. And see, let me see if I can show you. The jelly and the cheese just kind of melt together. Oh, it's so good. And it really will change your world. So why don't you try a Pirate Joe's sandwich yourself? They're super easy to make and they're really delicious. You can find this recipe and a lot of others that you're gonna love on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video.